This gorgeous new Anglia home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 3-car garage, not tandem. This beauty has everything you want. The open floor plan features high ceilings and plenty of natural lighting, which makes entertaining a joy. The kitchen will impress your guests with the selections of granite and cabinetry. This split floor plan gives the master suite the space it needs from the other rooms in the house. Also, don't forget to check out the spacious master closet with custom shelving. Did I mention no back neighbors? Enjoy your backyard and covered patio. This is your final opportunity to purchase a new Anglia home in the highly sought-after estates of Sterling Lakes, as it is approaching the closed-out stage of development. The community features something for the entire family, including a 24/7 man gate for your security, junior Olympic pool, poolside cabana, splash pad, recreation center, exercise facility, sand volleyball, bike and hike trails, and much more. Come tour today.